Hey guys, I'm back, and today we are going to talk about color adjustment, selective color adjustment in Photoshop. You're watching Princess Girl, and this time it's 30 days mastering Photoshop program. And if you have missed any of the videos before, you can just switch to them in my channel in the playlist, and it's all there for you. So let's dive in. With Photoshop and the photograph that you want to edit, we begin. First of all, click on the adjustment layer, select selective color. Here you see there is default preset, nothing other than default. So in the color, there is different colors. I can choose each of the color and adjust it according to that. The basics it's adjust is CMYK, that is cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Here it's absolute and relative. Absolute is having exactly increasing or decreasing the amount of whatever we do, and relative is relatively changing the amounts. So now select red. Cyan is the opposite of red. If we decrease cyan, the reds increase, and if we decrease, and now magenta, if we increase magenta, you can see how our photograph is changing. It's reacting according to the settings. Now what if whites? Nothing of the yellow changes white, but black's opposite is white. If we decrease black, whites increase. You can see how it's changing into the atmospherical style. If we increase the black, it's too much black now. For the blacks, I think this much is quite good enough. But I don't like the sky right now, so go to blue, and yellow's opposite is blue, so it's changing the sky mode. I don't want that much yellow, but yeah, this kind is much nice now. Increase the magenta and see how it's turning. If we increase the magenta and decrease the cyan, you see how everything is interrelated to each other, and neutrals is changing with all of them all over the place. So that was before, this is after. We have changed much more. It was earlier a much brighter sunrise, and this time it's like of an eye drop or something like the sun is so nice looking right now. You can do further edits if you want by just clicking again on that and see how your photograph is reacting with all those selective colors, and you should understand what you want of the desired results and meet them. I hope this tutorial has served as the inspiration for your next photography adventure. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel